inside the Novi Civic Center in Novi, Michigan. See, this is the whole Civic Center. It's a really nice building, actually. And around the corner over here, we have an elevator. See, there's the machine room right there. And here's the elevator right here. It's a Dover Impulse. All right, let's go up to 2. Here we are at 2. Oh, the door close button is mashed in. Look at that. That's weird. See that? Here's the emergency phone. It's got the non-clicky buttons. Very nice. So, door close button is jammed. That's crazy. It's got a very nice cab to it. It's a very nice elevator. 4,000 pound capacity. It's got a fan on it as well. And now we're gonna end it on 1. All right, there it goes, and that will be it.